To enter into the pose, we will sit to Dandasana with the flexed feet, palm by the sides of our buttocks. We begin by folding the leg, knee externally moving out in this way. We take a block into hands and stretch the arms towards the ceiling. We prepare to inhale, and with the exhalation, we move the trunk forward, leading with the pelvic. We rest the block ahead of the foot. Then slowly rest your forehead, nose, lips, and chin lastly. Stay into the asana from half a minute to a minute. Look straight to the flexed feet and then slowly prepare to inhale, come up, and exhale, release back to Dandasana. Now we repeat the pose, this time folding the right leg, knee externally moving out in the video. Inhale to prepare again, the same manner. On exhalation, stretch the trunk forward, placing the block ahead of the foot. Resting the forehead, the nose, the lips, and the chin. Staying again from half a minute to a minute in the asana. With deep breathing, inhale and exhale. Preparing to inhale, come up, and exhale to release back to Dandasana.